The Airbus A220 has suffered its first known total loss, and the circumstances make it especially unusual. Rather than a crash or an in-service accident, the airBaltic aircraft, registered as Yankee Lima Alpha Alpha Oscar, was lost due to a ground fire. The damage from the fire was later deemed beyond economic repair. The incident actually took place some time ago, with Air Data News reporting the fire occurred on June 14, 2025. After months of evaluation and assessment, it was decided that the cost of repairs would exceed the value of a new aircraft. We take a look at the incident for today's video. It's said that the June 2025 incident involved an auxiliary power unit ground run following heavy maintenance. Airbus concluded in December 2025 that repairing the aircraft was not economically viable. airBaltic, in its reporting, said the incident had a net negative impact of €6.2 million, reflecting the write-down of the aircraft, related costs and lease expenses after offsetting a $33.4 million insurance settlement. The aircraft was undergoing heavy maintenance at Riga International Airport last summer after an extensive period in storage likely prompted by the A220's problematic Pratt & Whitney PW1521G3 engines. At the conclusion of the maintenance, an auxiliary power unit ground run was conducted as part of the maintenance release process. The fires subsequently broke out, causing extensive heat damage to the fuselage and wing root area. The source of the fire was identified as the ozone filter, part of the environmental control system that converts ozone in bleed air before it enters the cabin. The aircraft remained in Riga for inspection by insurers and Airbus specialists before Airbus Engineering subsequently concluded that restoring it was not economically viable. airBaltic was quick to point out that the incident was not caused by lapses in its own processes, saying in a statement, "Following an assessment, Airbus representatives have concluded that restoring the aircraft would not be economically viable. Their investigation also determined that the maintenance work had been carried out in accordance with all applicable procedures in force at the time." While Yankee Lima Alpha Alpha Oscar is the first A220 hull loss as the result of an incident, it is not the first A220 to be removed from service forever. In 2025, a former Egypt Air A220 was scrapped for parts, marking the first known A220 part-out. This was again due to the jet's engines, in Egypt Air's case, accelerated degradation in a hot and dusty climate. By early 2024, Egypt Air had sold all 12 A220s to Lesser Azora, which partnered with Delta Material Services, a subsidiary of the US airline, on the first teardown. The aircraft was used as a source of engines and high-value parts at a time of acute shortages, helping support Delta's own A220 fleet. What do you think of airBaltic's A220 loss? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.